This here is Walking Street. It's like an amusement park for adults. And I guess you could walk here with your family, no big deal. This is the Boss Club. It's a huge Indian club. No expenses spared. I'm not sure what goes on in there, but I think it's like a cabaret. Another Indian club. This is, they're supposed to be really nice and high-end luxury. And the Jawala Club, very nice, beautiful outside. I'm assuming it's the same way inside. These Indians, yeah, got the cash to bankroll these places. And cannabis is legal here. So there's a sweet smell of chiva in the air all the time. They're not very busy. There's still a lot of old school anti-marijuana type people here, but all the foreigners are the ones that partake in it, I'm assuming. I tried a little bit of it. Nothing compares to what I got back home. .7-Elevens, as always, a place you can count on. Monroe, I get the feeling it's not Maryland. But Turkish restaurant, geisha. Lots of Indian people. The Lollipop Club. I get the feeling there isn't a bunch of dwarves waiting to see the Wizard of Oz. I think it's a different Lollipop Club. Moulin Rouge, El Molino Rojo. Plenty of those in the world. This right here is the Ice Cube. I believe it's a place that lets Thais experience sub-zero temperatures inside of there, since it's something that they've never ever experienced in their life. It's always so warm and humid here that it's an oddity for them to experience cold weather. Believe me, when me and my girls went to Japan, the only thing they thought of was going to Mount Fuji and seeing snow and throwing snowballs. King Seafood, amazing seafood places. And once again, El Molino Rojo, Moulin Rouge. And tour guides, Chinese and Korean tours everywhere. These people got the money to go and hang out and be anywhere they want. I'm not sure what's up with the guy on the stilts other than he's probably like the guy in San Francisco that hides behind a bush. up, girl? And that's the Dragon and Go-Go, the Frog Bar. What's up, homeboy? We got a Freelancer and an alley, goes all the way up. This is the local police. They're everywhere out here. Just keeping the order, nobody gets too crazy. A couple of times they have to beat somebody down. A foreigner usually, that's all drugged up and fucked up. But aside from that, there's no problem. These people got beautiful restaurants with amazing seafood. All the seafood you can think of. Nothing like the States. The most beautiful food there is. Fresh. We got a street musician pickpocketing or fondling this man. Not musician, but magician. You want ice cream? No, you should. No, let's do it next time. So I can do it another time. We have the good old-fashioned Jump the Girl. We've got the Stones house. Looks a little bit like the House of Blues. And the Walking Street signs. And here we are at a walking street. And you can see the ethnic diversity. Or lack of it. Our motorbike is parked right over there, so we're going to take a walk and head home.